Sir Epi, talking about journeys, no? You've been with Donnie and Belle, circling back 4 years ago for this
Yes.
movie, An Inconvenient Love.
An Inconvenient Love, yeah.
Diba? Ano ba yung nakita niyong growth this time or differences sa kanila ngayong
Actually,
nakasama sila for this movie?
For this film, parang late, hindi naman late comer, pero they started production already when I joined. Di ba? Parang gano'n, di ba? Parang, well, actually, dumating ako sa set thinking na, okay, ang character ko will be, okay, ano to? Rom-com. And then I was doing the scenes, okay, so mga unang scenes, kanya. But eventually, as we go along, nung araw na yon, yung first day ko, parang ang heavy na itong material. Medyo may heavy. Kasi hindi siya yung ina-expect ko na Don Bell film na 4 years ago na ginawa ko. So on the side, si Bell at saka si Don, nakikita ko talagang they talk to me about their roles. Sabi ko, parang mabigat yung ano. And then eventually, na-realize ko, mabigat talaga. May lalim yung material. Malalim yung material at ayoko na magkwento kasi baka makakwento ko yung ano mga hindi dapat eh.
Ma-office tayo mamaya.
Opo, kasi po.
sabi ko lang it's a good
Tanong
it's a good film for yung 7 years na pinagdaanan ng Don Bell Love Team. This is a good peak nung Don Bell. That's what I can say. And these two, of course, given the guidance of Direk Cathy, I believe they're giving it 110% each time they are in front of that camera. And I know that because even on the sideline, nawala yung kulit ng dalawa, Direk. Mas mas on point sila with everything that they do. And again, with Direk Cathy's process, yung squeezing them out, lalabas talaga yung peak ng Don Bell, at least yung love team na yan dito sa pelikulan to.
For this film, no?
Direk, may sinasabi ka, Direk, parang kinukontra mo.
Kasi po may madaldal ditong bata.
Direk, nagtanong po.
Ayan. Kasi, kwento mo.
Nagtanong po si Sir Epi kung anong story. Siyempre ako.
Wala akong hindi naman yung nasasabi ko. Sinasabi ko yung mga eksena natin.
Hindi, kung bakit nyo nga na-sense na mabigat siya. Remember,
Because
Tapos tumatakbo na siya sa akin. Direk, nasabi ko. Ba't mo sinabi? Nagtanong po. Oo! Kasi,
Ang bait mo talaga.
lahat po ng cast, there is something in the film that is not worth telling it to you now. That only Van, Don Bell, and I know. May isa nakalusot, si Epi. Not even Joros and the rest know.
Nobody knows. Yeah.
Tapos sinay ko, paano sinabi? Nagtanong po eh.
Direk, may
Direk,
mga
ako alam ko
scenes
mabigat
na-
talaga.
May mga scenes
yung
na
wig,
hindi
yung
nila
wig.
alam yung ano. Hindi nila alam yung nangyayari, maski sila. So, may mga ganon. So, marami kayo talagang i-expect sa pelikulan to. Dahil ako, nagugulat ako biglang, ibang script mo, ha? Ito yung binemorize ko.
Welcome to my set!
Ahatahin ka ni
may
Direk.
secret ako na hindi nila alam. Okay.
Ganon si Direk. Iba yung script niya, iba yung script ko, tas mag-action, tas lahat kami hindi namin nangyari. Pero
Eto lang,
parating
ha?
kasi yun ang eksena.
Ito lang gusto sabihin, galing pa kaming Sagada.
Kanina.
lang. I think yung huling beses namin magkita 2:00 ng umaga sa taas ng Sea of Clouds. At ang ganda na eksena namin ni Donnie, and I will tell you, abangan yan. Basta yung eksena na yun, napakaganda lang. Padulas na, pero wala akong sinabi. Ang ganda lang na eksena namin ni Donnie.
Ngayon, alam na natin kung anong aabangan na isa sa mga big scenes doon sa pelikula at sa Gala
Hindi, ito
Shoot.
may maganda rin kaming scene. So, I'm just really privileged to be working with these guys kasi in a way, I've seen their growth. No? So, hindi constant, but I was part of a film na ginawa namin 4 years ago.
Yeah.
And I'm really honored to be part of this film. Of course, under Direk Cathy's leadership. No?
Thank you. For our friends from the media, kung gusto niyo po talaga malaman yung kwento, just approach Sir Epi later on. malay nyo mapiga nyo sa kanya.
Pasmado bibig niya eh.
Uy, nagsalita ang
Buti
hindi.
nga hindi kwento sa'yo, kuya.
Ay, bilin ko, wag na wag kay Joros, please.
May sarili akong press con mamaya. Magpapapansit ako.
Let's talk about Joros. Kasi actually, for this film, the big guns are out, no? It's a Star Cinema film about, a relationship drama. And then we got Direk Cathy Garcia Sampana with this incredible cast, including Joros Gamboa. Okay, Joros, the question is...
Ginagawa mo sa pelikulang to.
Ayun, kung ano yung trabaho.
Now, you've played so many memorable supporting characters in Star Cinema movies. Ano ba yung aabangan ng mga manonood sa'yo para sa pelikulang ito? Ano yung aabangan sa'yo yung kakaiba?
Wala. Itsura. Hindi, as always naman, susurpresahin namin kayo. At ganun si Direk Cathy talaga. Katulad nga na nabanggit nila, technique yun eh.
Yeah.
Minsan yung iba yung ipapabasa sa'yo para
Iba
kita
yung
sa reaction. Di mo madadaya kasi gulat ka. Iba yung sinasabi. Yun yung hinuhuli ni Direk. Minsan nga iba yung script mo. Ako, tawag ko si Legolas, Gandalf. Ibang script pala. Ibang mood. Joke lang. Hindi.
Lord of the Rings, yun eh.
Iba pala yun. Hindi, pero yun ang maganda rito na laging binabanggit ni Don kanina, yung totoo. Ang mapapanood mo, totoo. At makaka-relate ka. Kasi ramdam mong totoo eh. Dahil kung hindi mo ramdam, peke ka.
Totoo. Totoo naman.
Totoo naman.
Ito, totoo yung tatanong ko sa'yo. Before we move on to our cast, di ba? Pinag-usapan namin ni Emilio kanina na kasi if you look at the filmography of Joros Gamboa, part siya to mga highest grossing films. Di ba? Do you feel any pressure right now?
Karamihan doon si Direk Cathy kasama ko. So, ayun. Sa akin, hindi ako naniniwala sa luck. Malas yon. Bless lang tayo. Bless lang ako na napapasama ako sa magagandang pelikula ng Star Cinema. And syempre, again, thank you si Direk Junlana and Direk May. Ay, hindi pala. Nalilito kasi ako. Kay Direk Cathy. Kasi ako, talagang transparent naman ako sa lahat na kumbaga sa showbiz, pinakamalaki utang na loob ko kay Direk Cathy. Dahil talagang siya yung, she released the Kraken.
Yan.
Kumbaga, siya yung nagtiwala rin talaga sa akin for the longest time. At patuloy siyang nagtitiwala kahit nakikita niya medyo malabo na mata ko kapag nagbabasa ako. So,
pero part of the big weapons kasi, of course, si Joros in this film.
maganda story na Star Cinema.
Of
Yun
course.
talaga.
Yun talaga yung hawakan natin. Speaking of story, kasama sa story nyo to, we got River, Emilio, and Mia. And the question is, how will you describe your characters in this film? Can you give us a hint on the vibe or energy you'll be bringing into the story? Let's start with our lady first, Mia.
Hello po.
Hi.
Nalito na rin. Sino ba talaga ako, Kuya Joros? Kasi ako po, I'll be playing the role of Tina. Very sassy and very supportive friend, workmate, and housemate of Cisco and Cheska. Na very straightforward din sa mga nangyayari sa mga buhay nila. Yun po.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Mia. River, I just had to say, super
Uy,
happy
sorry,
for you.
pwedeng sumingit ng konti kay Mia.
Yes, yes.
I don't know her kasi.
Hmm.
Like, I don't know her. Sabi nila, Mia Canton, sa sino yan? Magaling daw po. Sige, eko. Tinignan ko, siyempre, as always naman, lahat ng ata ng tao makita ako takot.
Hmm.
Pero sabi ko, magaling tong batang to, That's how I see a galing of an actress.
Oh, yes.
Yung, hindi na nga outshine, hindi yung eps doon sa eksena, ginagawa yung trabaho niya nang nasa likod siya. And ako, the fact na mapansin kita sa likod, ibig sabihin, gumagawa ka ng tama. Sabi ko, I love this, Mia. Thank you, Mia.
Hindi lang siya magaling na
Great
actress, masarap din yung pansit niya. Di ba?
The best. Diba? Thank you so much, Mia. River, second film in Star Cinema. Magkasunod pa. How does it feel?
Siyempre, it's an honor to be part of another Star Cinema movie, lalo na directed by Direk Cathy and siyempre starring Don Bell. And Dito sa movie na ito, I play the role of Shane. He is the colleague of, or office mate of Cisco and Cheska. And I guess he ends up having a rivalry with Cisco in terms of in work and also in romance.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Looking forward to that. Emilio, how about you? From what I heard, he was called parang biglaan sa set.
Medyo, As
Biglaan.
in, nasa gym lang ako. Tapos na ako mag-gym. Legit, this was like, I think, 9 a.m. And then, tinawagan ako ng Star Cinema. Uy, Emilio, free ka ba ngayon? May taping kay Donnie and Belle with Direct Cathy. Sabi ko, okay, I'm there na. 5 minutes lang. So, legit, naligo na ako and then diretso na ako sa set. Kasi, syempre, it's been a dream of mine to be part of a Star Cinema film, especially with Direct Cathy and now starring Donnie and Belle. So,
Buti nga, naligo ka pa eh.
buti nga, naligo pa ako diba?
Kung hindi, iba, dire-diretso na kasi.
So,
Sobrang excitement.
Yeah, but
Okay, in this movie,
I play Mookie. So he is the college best friend of Donnie. And we start a business together. And makikita nyo kung gaano ka-successful yun.
oh, interesting. Okay. Now, we move on to the question of Carrie, of Zine. For Donnie and Belle, before tayo sa wakas, you two were already doing projects separately. What made you decide to make this specific film as your last one together? For now, how did you know that it's time to pursue and prioritize your solo careers? Belle?
Okay. Ako muna. I mean, before entering the Love Team naman, I always had, sabi ko, I want to be a good actress. Yun naman talaga. And Donnie and I have been vocal about it naman na we just don't want to be Don Belle. We also want to be Donnie and Belle. So I feel like this project is the perfect project for it since it shows so much growth and maturity and it required so much authenticity from the both of us. So, and also plus given Direct Cathy and also yung material, syempre, ang ganda-ganda talaga.
Yeah. Like we mentioned, it's not something that we just thought of overnight. Si Belle kasi isa sa mga kakampi ko dito syempre sa showbiz. And we're very, very open with each other. So I think it just had to get to a point where tama yung material para sa ganitong klaseng transition. Yeah, so we would talk about it, project after project. Kailan kaya tayo magkakaroon ng ganitong klaseng transition or phase to a different direction? Or when will we pause? Yung ganon. And when we were presented this material, syempre, parang nag-meet lang kami. Sabi namin sa isa't isa, I think this is the best time kasi it's very timely.
Yeah.
And it's also one that will showcase, different sides of us. Like I said, it's a mixture of all our characters and more. So parang it just felt like the right time. And yeah, of course.
Serendipitous, parang gano'n, di ba?
Yeah.
Lahat talaga sumakto.
Yeah.
Timing, creatives, story, and cast. Okay. We got a lot of questions, pero I think the time parang ubos na. So we got a couple of more na itatanong para sa cast natin and creatives. And this is for everyone. Anyone who wants to answer could. The question is, mukhang maraming temang tinatahak ang pelikulang ito, pero easily nababasa na tungkol sa magkaibang priority sa buhay. Problema na ba ito ng young couples ngayon? Young couples, Joros.
Hindi na nga ako sasagot eh. Kasi young eh. Huwag ka na rin sumagot.
Direct ako sasagot.
Ah, okay.
Is it?
Is it?
Ay, hindi direct.
Okay.
Ako lang.
Emilio, sige. Masyado bang driven itong generation ngayon na yung relationship could take, the back seat muna?
I think sa pelikulang ito, well, based on young couples now, I think makaka-relate talaga yung mga Gen Z ngayon. Kasi, syempre, parang may push and pull between love, career, prioritizing yourself. So, I think madaming matututunan ng ating mga viewers and lahat ng mga manonood ng film about themselves, their partners, their future partners, their career. So, I'm super excited for them to see that.
And it's not just about the generation now, no? Lahat tayo pinagdaanan yan. Ano mapili natin? Yung mahal ko o yung pangarap ko sa buhay? Ano bang uunahin ko? Kasi minsan hindi sumasakto yan eh. At minsan nag-aaway yan. At yun yung, I think, isa sa mga tema na tatalakayin sa ating pelikula, no? Ito, medyo juicy to. To all better halves, would you give up something for your better half? Okay, better halves. Joros,
Ako?
would you give up something for your better half?
Una, hindi ko nakikita yung relationship namin ng asawa kong half-half. We are one. And it stays like that. At sa akin, binigay ko na sa kanya lahat by loving my Lord Jesus Christ. Kasi sa mundong ito, yun yung problema natin eh. Ano ba yung priorities in life? Like for me, it's God, my wife, my children, and then everything else. So, yun, kapag alam mo na yung dapat may prioritize sa buhay mo, everything follows. Kasi kaya nagustuhan ko tong yung palabas na to. Kasi talagang marami makaka-relate na kailangan, kasi share ko lang din bro. Biglaan lang din yung yung tinawagan ako.
Akala ko, parang automatic eh.
Oo, hindi. Yung tinawagan ako ng Star Cinema, I was feeding the poor that time.
Okay.
So, pinapakain ko kasi nun yung sarili ko dahil Then yung tumawag, oy, work, priority to. Wala nang makain pamilya ko eh. Ayun lang, kasi para
Thank you,
matawa
Lord.
si
Thank you,
Kuya.
Lord.
Ako yung would you give something up for your
Better
better half? Ako minsan yung half ko iniiwan ko pag full moon.
Iba yun. Iba yun.
Lumilipad sa kalahating katawan.
Iba na yun
Pag full moon.
Ay, nako. Now, you see the cast that we have, di ba? Ang saya-saya to have this family in the set. And I think yan din yung mararamdaman natin. And more, lalo-lalo na yung heartfelt passion nilang dalawa and heartaches in this film, tayo sa wakas. We got this last question and goes to everyone as well. Sa mga nakakatanda ng kaunti sa ating panel, I read that verbatim, no? Okay. What would be the best advice you would give to young people about keeping relationships alive and healthy? What would be the best advice you would give to young people about relationships or keeping relationships alive and healthy? Direk.
This film. This is my best advice to all the young people out there.
Watch it. Okay. And with that, I think we're done.
Oy, grabe naman. Sila rin pasagutin mo.
Oh, okay.
Ito yung
Jonas.
mga mature
Maganda.
ako, nag-pink jacket ako para hindi ako sumagot ng mga ganito.
So ako yung mature.
Hindi. Ang ibig lang namin sabihin mga naka-pink. Ano yung tanong?
Yung question is, what would be the best advice you would give to young people about keeping relationships alive and healthy?
Relationship is about giving. The greatest secret in love and in life is giving. Kapag papasok ka sa isang relationship, hindi dapat you complete me. Kailangan kumpleto ka na at overflowing ka na.
Agree.
So, that's it. Love is about giving. So,
Alam mo, pwede ka magtrabaho sa mga Hallmark cards,
Ayun, doon ako napadaan. Meron pa pala doon sa
Ang dami mo makakasabihan na saktong-sakto talaga tungkol sa
Yun lang na may
relationships.
mga natututunan natin. At i-apply lang natin sa mga kabataan at sa lahat ng, yan yung mga nandito, yan yung mga naka-braces. Karamihan dyan, yung mga matatanda naka-braces, nagbabata-bataan. So, para sa inyong lahat tong pelikulang ito, kaya panoorin po ninyo.
Sabi naman. Ay, nako. Salamat talaga. I guess we got more questions coming in. May pahabol si Patrick of Business Mirror. For Don Bill, stepping down from the Love Team narrative. For now, I can't emphasize that more. What are the type of projects you are most excited about? Would there be a genre shift similar to what Donnie did with Roja or anything that you're looking forward to?
Nako, ang dami pa. Ang dami ko pang gustong matry. Basta good material, I'm all for it.
That's an actress talaga.
Yeah, ang dami
Sorry.
ko pa rin gusto matry. But I think the best thing here is that I don't know talaga what's next. And I think it's okay to not know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
May mga dream projects pa ba kayo na gustong gawin? Or marami pa?
Pero ito muna tayo sa wakas.
Okay, dito muna tayo.
Sa wakas.
Sa wakas. Okay, Rachel Siazon has a question for Direk Cathy. As a box office director who have mentored a lot of popular love teams, what is the one thing that you want them to take away or learn from you after you have worked with them? Dami na
Wow.
dumaan sa inyo, Direk, talaga.
Yeah. Well, hindi about sa kwento, but I make sure kasi in all of my sets that we become a family. That yung sabi nga ni Donnie, I always tried to gain their trust and maintain that trust even after work. That nothing, ewan ko, kasi I don't work with them as only their director. I normally become their mother, their sister. Ninang, putragis ka talaga.
Naging ninang ka na anak ko. Ng panganay ko.
Now, but yes, it's a relationship whenever I direct. So, take away, wala. Let's just continue to love our craft and love each other. Ayoko ng mga taping friends, shooting friends, na pagkatapos ng pelikula, wala na.
Kaya susunod kami sa New Zealand.
Yan! Galing, no? Hindi lang siya transactional. There's really a relationship when you work with Direk Cathy Garcia and, of course, the people in her set as well. Okay, last question. Finally, coming from Josiah Antonio, Philippine Star, and this goes to Donnie and Belle. Okay, fitting last question for our Q&A. As you part ways for now, do you have any message for each other? And what do you look forward to doing after this film?
Ikaw na mauna.
Well, I know that we may not be working with each other in the near future, but I'll always be here. And sobrang proud na ako sa'yo. And if they ask everyone here, Kuya Epi first, yung Inconvenient Love, Miss Vanner first series, but I've really seen you grow since day one, since we've met. And I will always look up to you. Not figuratively, but literally pala, figuratively. But in general, I'm just so blessed that I got to spend these last years with you. Yeah, I wouldn't have it any other way. Thank you.
Ayoko nung tanong. Ano ba yan? Ang babaw talaga ng luha ko. Sabi ko pa naman, di ako iiyak. Ang dami kong gustong sabihin. Pero siguro ngayon, I just wanna say thank you. Thank you so much for the journey. For just being there, for the support. And I respect you so much. And ngayon pa lang, ang layo mo na, pero malayo ka pa. And I'm just so proud of you, and I'm so proud of the man you are now. Okay na po, yan lang. Thank you.
That's it for Q&A. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big round of applause.
Tingin tissue.
Grabe yung emotion dito sa studio. And I'm sure sa lahat ng mga pamilya natin watching online, I know what you're feeling right now because we feel it too. Again, this is just for now. And we hope another chapter opens in the future. Thank you so much for answering all the questions. Sa lahat ng mga kapamilya natin, for sending in all of your questions. Maraming salamat po. But just like what we promised, we are not yet done. As we mentioned earlier, Tayo sa Wakas opens in Philippine cinemas this May 27. But the story does not stop right there because love, heartbreak, and all the questions between, they speak this universal language. And today, we're so excited to officially announce that Tayo sa Wakas will soon be reaching audiences all over the world. That is right. To our kapamilyas abroad, you gotta see this.
Love, heartbreak, and all the questions in between. They speak a universal language. To our kapamillas abroad, this one's for you. Tayo sa Wakas will soon be reaching audiences around the world.
Australia and New Zealand starting June 11, 2026. US, Canada, and Guam starting June 12, 2026. They got play dates in Hong Kong, Macau, cinemas beginning June 20, 2026. We'll be visiting you in Middle East, in Singapore, and Malaysia. More soon.
This is Kapamilya Global Domination. Grabe, I'm so excited for you guys. And of course, guys, the surprise does not stop right there because we're also launching today the official Tayo sa Wakas website, your new destination for Tayo sa Wakas content, update, behind the scenes, and worldwide cinema list will be dropping along the way. Think of this as your official guide as we count down to the play date. Okay, abangan po natin yung official website ng Tayo sa Wakas. Exciting. It has been an unforgettable day for everyone. As someone who admires this cast, as someone who loves Star Cinema, Direk Cathy Garcia, as a friend of Donnie and Belle, grabe itong media launch natin. I know you guys are getting so emotional, but at the same time, so excited. So, guys, we got this exclusive look right now at Tayo sa Wakas from the official trailer, exciting announcements, and meaningful conversations with our incredible cast and creators behind this very, very special film. To our media friends, maraming salamat for being here, for continuously supporting Star Cinema. To everyone watching us live from different parts of the Philippines and all over the world, maraming salamat po for celebrating this big milestone with everyone. And before we officially wrap things up, would love to hear a final message coming from our cast. So, may we invite Direk Cathy, Donnie, and Belle to please personally invite everyone right here in the studio and watching us online for this big offering coming from Star Cinema, Tayo sa Wakas. Direk Cathy.
Nakalimutan ko na. Hindi. I am actually a bit emotional too, no? Maybe because kung kailan ko makakasama Don Bell, parang patapos na. Magpo-pause sila. I've come to love these two when I started working with them for, buti sumausaw ako ng konti sa Can't Buy Me Love. And after seeing them, and sabi ko sa Star, I'm ready to work with them. And this movie proved me right, no? Hinog na ang Don Bell. For this kind of movie. They're beyond the patwitams. They're beyond the... But, of course, this film will give you that. The kilig, the falling in love. But it includes the pain. It includes mga mali. They are flawed characters, just like we are. But at the end of the day, what's important is how they realize those flaws and start to bring change. So they become a better person. So they become better at the relationship, better people. So I hope everyone, this is not just a story for the young ones, neither for the older ones also. It's for everybody. Sa lahat ng gusto magmahal, sa lahat na nagmamahal, this movie is for all of you. So please watch in the cinemas. Nothing beats watching in the cinemas.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Direk. Belle and Donnie.
Ay, sorry. May dagdag ako.
Yes, Direk.
JK, I love you. Thank you for agreeing to sing the theme song of this movie.
Perfect one for this movie.
Sobra.
Belle?
Si Direk pag nagsasalita, naiiyak talaga. Automatic. Hindi. Pero, closing remarks, tama po ba? Syempre, thank you so much everyone for being here. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Ayun naman po, nakita niyo po yung trailer. Samahan niyo po ang storya ni Cisco and ni Cheska. At dami po nating matututunan dito kung saan man kayo sa buhay niyo ngayon. Paniguradong may mapupulot po tayong aral dito at continuously love each other lang po.
Thank you so much, Belle. Donnie?
Okay, Robs, thank you.
Thank you.
For saying yes to this. Kasi part din ikaw ng journey namin, di ba? I just want to thank all the members of the press. You guys have also been with us since day one. Thank you so much for all your support, everything you guys have shown to us. Sobrang na-appreciate namin lahat ng support nyo. And this is also our offering to you guys. So, really, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you. I just want to say thank you to our supporters. You guys mean the world to us. And I know a lot of you are hurting, a lot of you are sad, but please know, me and Belle, you know, we're in a great place, and this is what's best for everyone, and we're gonna continue to support each other through this. But really, thank you. This family will always stay. You know, we may not be doing project after project together, but this family will always stay. To Star Cinema, thank you guys again for the trust. Thank you for great material. I know it hasn't been easy, the schedule and sleepless nights for all of us, but thank you kasi nakayanan natin, and we will do this together. We will do this well. Thank you, ABS-CBN. Direk Cathy, maraming salamat. Thank you for saying
Love
yes.
you, Direk.
Thank you so much, Direk, for accepting this project. And to all our cast, guys, thank you. Thank you so much. To God be the glory, and we'll see you guys May 27. Thank you.
Rest assured, Donsky, Belle, these people, the family that you call Don Bell, they're not just supporting you, and they're not just for you. They're with you. You know, in this chapter, in the next chapter, in the next chapters to come. So asahan yung suporta nila. Whatever happens, they love you so much. Okay? And that love will be felt because hindi pa po tayo nagtatapos dito yung excitement. Donnie and Belle will also be meeting all of you guys very soon through their upcoming mall tours and special on-ground events leading up to the release of the film. So, Donnie and Belle will be inviting everyone to join them in the upcoming Tayo sa Wakas events. Let's take a look.